Alright guys, so go ahead and start. We'll start with bag number 1. Alright, so just front top plate and steering build. Alright, so we pop this bag open. I'm gonna be doing a lot of time lapse with these videos just to save time. I know it's gonna take me some time to build this car. But if I do find any tricks, or if it seemed like something was tricky and I kind of figure out an easy way to do it, I'll slow it back up to real time and then explain what's going on with it. So it's pretty detailed. It tells you basically how the orientation of the part that you're going to build. It's basically telling me I need to hold it pretty much from the kind of tells you how to hold the part and everything. So it's pretty detailed. You hold, so I'm gonna go ahead and start building, and I'm gonna do some time lapse. All right. All right, so I built the front steering assembly, the top plates, and I'm getting ready to drop it onto the front bulkhead with the 2 long screws in the bottom, and then there's 2 short screws on the top. So just these 2 right here. Go through the rear 2 holes, and then the short ones go on the top. And then that will be, I guess, pretty much the front end of this vehicle for now, and then we move on to the other bags. Alright, so real quick, as I was building the front axle, it normally will come with a 2 millimeter head screw, but it does not work in the axle. So I end up getting a 2.5 that works with it. So maybe it's just my kit, but look out for that with your build. You may run into that problem with your front axle. If you do run into it, just grab a 2.5 millimeter, or you call Team Associated and figure it out. But I'm gonna keep moving and not let that hold me back, and continue with the build. All right, so this is what you'll get when you complete 3 bags of the build. Remember also, when you tighten down these screws in here for your steering linkage, don't tighten it too tight because it will bind up. All right. Alright, so I got the diff build, and it's time to put the lube in, but what you get is 500K in the package, but I'm actually going to run 120 in the diff. So I'm going to put this in the diff and button it back up.